Well, tomorrow morning is a very big test for the brand new Red Line. It is the first day with a full fleet of buses and the morning commute. In fact, the buses started running on a holiday schedule beginning yesterday. Well, after 2 days of rides, passengers told our Emily Longnecker they're actually enjoying this new system. Take a listen.
These Indy residents spent part of their Labor Day trying out the city's new Red Line.
It was good. I liked it.
Indigo didn't have official numbers about how many took the new buses Sunday and Monday, only saying each one holds 100 passengers, and many times were at capacity.
It's great to have more public transportation for the city and more options for people to get around.
Over the holiday weekend, 8 buses ran on the Sunday schedule from 7 a.m. to 10 at night. This week, that's expected to go up to at least 14, with hours of operation going from 5 a.m., with the last pickup at 1 in some spots.
Yes. Well, I think we would jump on the Red Line to go to Fountain Square sometimes, for sure.
Indigo is asking for patience as they work out the kinks, saying they expect there to be delays and some challenges for the first few weeks.
Throughout the week, 200 volunteers are expected at stations like this one across the city to answer any questions that riders might have.
I think they're going to give it time to, everybody to adjust and everybody time to understand which way you're supposed to be on the platform and everything, so I think it'll work real good.
Even folks that have their own vehicles say they plan to use the Red Line when they don't want to deal with parking downtown.
I like to say I'll use it on a regular basis, going to the grocery store, maybe going to a Coast game, just going downtown to hang out. I'll use it on a regular basis.
Emily Longnecker, Channel 13, Eyewitness News.
And to celebrate the big day, Indigo is throwing a big party tomorrow morning at the Indiana State House on the East Lawn. The grand opening celebration starts at 7:30 with the mayor and city leaders set to speak at 8 o'clock. Angela?